Good morning, students of class 8. We had already started the sixth chapter, that is active and passive voice. In previous video, we had studied some portion of the chapter. We had studied what is active and what is passive voice. Uses and of passive voice also we had studied. So active and passive voice. So the different way of presenting. There are two different ways of presenting a sentence. In first sentence, active was, in active was what happened, children? The sentence contains an active form of the verb, and in passive voice the sentence contains passive form of verb. Okay, so in active voice what happened? The performer of the action is called the agent, is made the subject of the verb. एक्टिव वॉइस में जो एजेंट है वो सब्जेक्ट है, परफॉर्मर ऑफ द एक्शन जो होता है वो दैट इज द सब्जेक्ट, एंड इन पैसिव वॉइस द सब्जेक्ट इज मेड द ऑब्जेक्ट. Subject of the active voice is made subject of the passive voice. Okay, so here we had studied structure of voices also we had studied, and we were in some other examples. Page number 417. So here children, passive of verb with two objects. Okay, दो objects के साथ with two objects we are seeing the passive of the verbs with two objects, active and passive. See, she gave me a present. I was given a present by her, or a present was given to me by her. Okay. Second one, Mr. Sharma teaches us Hindi. We are taught Hindi by Mr. Sharma, or Hindi is taught to us by Mr. Sharma. Like that. Okay. Now second C, passive of prepositional verb. Passive जो होता है that of prepositional verb. Okay, like the police accused him of murder. The police accused him of murder. So he was accused of murder by the police. B, the people listened to him with attention. He was listened to with attention by the people. He was listened to with attention by the people. Third one is use of preposition other than by in the passive sentence. A, the kettle contains tea. Tea is contained in the kettle. The kettle contains tea. The tea is contained in the kettle. Okay. B, grass grows over the fields. The fields are grown over with grass. The grass grows over the fields. The fields are grown over with grass. Now fourth one, passive of sentences with infinitives. Passive sentence कैसे बनता है? Infinitive से. He has to do his work. This work has to be done by him. He has to do his work. This work has to be done by him. B, it is time to say prayers. It is time for prayers to be said. Like this. Okay. Fifth one, passive of sentences where the subject is understood. So here in some sentences subject is understood. बोला नहीं जाता है, it is not written that what is the subject, but it is understood. तो उसमें कैसे बनता है passive? A pickpocket has picked my pocket. My pocket has been picked. Okay. My pocket has been picked. B, the railways will run extra trains for the fare. The railways will run extra trains for the fare. Extra trains will be run for the fare. Okay. तो यहाँ पे द रेलवे है वो अंडरस्टूड है, द अ पिक पॉकेट है इट इज अंडरस्टूड. Subject is understood in these two sentences. Now sixth one, passive of imperative sentences. So when we talk about imperative sentences, in imperative sentences what does it comes? Command, order and request come in imperative sentence. So let us see. Obey your teachers. Let us obey teachers. Let your teachers be obeyed. ठीक है. Obey your teachers. इसका पैसे बनेगा. Let your teachers be obeyed. और टीचर शुड बी ओबेड बाय यू, दोनों तरीके से बनेगा. ठीक है. लाइट द लैम्प प्लीज. लेट द लैम्प बी लाइटेड प्लीज, और यू आर रिक्वेस्टेड टू लाइट द लैम्प. लेट द लाइट let the lamp be lighted please, or you are requested to light the lamp, like this. Now seventh one, passive of quasi passive verb. Okay, passive of quasi passive verb. There are some verbs which are active in in form but passive in sense without being put in the passive form. ठीक है, कुछ वर्ब्स होते हैं जो कि एक्टिव इन फॉर्म है बट पैसिव इन सेंस. ठीक है, फॉर्म में वो एक्टिव है बट इन सेंस व्हेन वी विल कीप इन सेंटेंस वी विल सी इन सेंटेंस, इन सेंस जब लगाते हैं तब वो पैसिव फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, तो दे आर सेंस विदाउट बीइंग पुट इन द पैसिव फॉर्म, विदाउट बीइंग पुट इन द पैसिव फॉर्म. देखने में वो लगेगा कि व्हेन वी विल सी दैट सेंटेंसेस, जब हम लोग उस सेंटेंस को पढ़ते हैं तो उस वर्ड्स को वर्ब को पढ़ते हैं, व्हेन वी विल सी द वर्ब वी विल सी दैट इट इज़ इन एक्टिव फॉर्म, पर उसका सेंस जो होता है सेंटेंस में वो पैसिव फॉर्म में होगा. द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट. ओके, सी हियर, द रोज स्मेल्स स्वीट. The rose is sweet when smelt, like this. The rose smells sweet. The rose is sweet when smelt. B. The room is building. The room is building. The room is being built. ठीक है, रूम इज बिल्डिंग होगा तो फिर ये बिल्डिंग के लिए इट इज़ नॉट दैट अनदर बिल्डिंग, इट इज़ बिल्ट. ठीक है, द रूम इज बिंग बिल्ट. Now see, some typical example is given here. Go through, let us read these examples. So A1, my hair needs cutting. My hair needs to be cut. Okay. B, God helps those who help themselves. Those who help themselves are helped by God. So इस तरह से बनाना है. ठीक है, like this. C, I hope to succeed. It is hope that I shall succeed. D, one must do one's duty. Duty must be done. One must keep one's promise. ठीक है, तो promises should be kept. Promise should be kept, like this. Okay, one should keep one's promise. तो promise should be kept. ठीक है, promises should be kept, like this. People said that he was a thief. It was said that he was a thief. Those who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others. Stones should not be thrown at others by those who live in glass houses. सेम सेंटेंस का मीनिंग कभी चेंज नहीं होता है, बट उसी सेंटेंस को हम लोग दो तरीके से प्रेजेंट करते हैं, टू टाइप से प्रेजेंट करते हैं. ठीक है, सेम मीनिंग सेम होता है बट इज प्रेजेंटेड इन टू वेज. इट इज़ टाइम टू सेंड फॉर द प्रीस्ट. इट इज़ टाइम फॉर द प्रीस्ट टू बी सेंट. ठीक है, पीपल सपोज दैट ही इज इन दिल्ली. ही इज सपोज टू बी इन दिल्ली. द पीपल यहाँ पे अंडरस्टूड है, सब्जेक्ट जो है वो अंडरस्टूड है. ठीक है, इट इज़ नाउ टाइम टू स्टार्ट द जर्नी. इट इज़ नाउ टाइम टू द जर्नी टू बी स्टार्टेड, लाइक दिस. एवरीवन हु मेट हिम लाइक्ड हिम. ही वॉज लाइक्ड बाई ऑल हु मेट हिम. अ पेन इज टू राइट विथ. अ पेन इज टू बी रिटन विथ. अ स्टॉर्म wrecked the ship. A ship was wrecked by a storm. 12 months make a year. A year is made of 12 months. No one can recall the time once past. Time once past cannot be recalled. ठीक है, this book is selling well. पैसिव फॉर्म में क्या होगा? This book is being sold well. May he live long. It is prayed that he may live long. All agreed to what we said. What is said by us was agreed to by all. Do it. It should be done. Do it is active form. It should be done is passive form. His reply did not satisfy me. It was not satisfied. I was not satisfied with his reply. They broke the lock with a hammer. The lock was broken with a hammer. Okay, like this, children. So we will study till here only. This chapter has been over, and in next video we will start with the multiple choice question. Till then, your homework is to complete this exercise. How much you can do it is not too tough. Too easy it is. Okay, try to solve it out, and in online classes we will continue it, and write the important points of the chapter in your notebook. ठीक है, important things it should be written in notebook. You are grown up, you can do it by yourself. Okay, till then study at home. Thank you.